Whether you have your own label design you want us to print, or you want to use your own photo in one of our designs, there are tools for you to do that. First, we'll cover uploading your image to one of our designs. All of the labels on our website allow you to upload your own photo or image, but we do have many that are specifically designed for it. When you click on the Use Your Own Photo link, it shows you all the label designs that have provided a large area of open space for you to use your own images. Once you've chosen a design and it opens in the customization page, you'll see on the top menu the Add Image button. Click this, then click the Select File button. This will allow you to navigate your own computer to choose which image you want to use. Then click Upload File to insert onto your label. Now you can manipulate it any way you want, just like any other layer. You can grab one of the corner boxes to change the size, or you can stretch it out and distort it by using the boxes on the sides. You can move it anywhere you like by clicking and holding, and even rotate it using the handle on top. Every new layer you add is automatically the top layer and is placed over everything else. Using the Layers menu on the right side can be very helpful if you want the text to be on top of your image. Just grab that layer and move the image below the text. If you have a completed design of your own that you want us to print, you can use the Build Your Own Label page. The first thing you will need to do is choose what size and shape the label will be. There are many different shapes to choose from. And each will give you different sizes that are available. So in this example, I've chosen a 3.3-inch by 4-inch rectangular label. Now just click the Add Image button to navigate your computer and choose which image you want to use. Then click Upload File to insert onto your label. The image is automatically positioned in the center of the label. Just grab the corners to enlarge it to the appropriate size so it fits the label correctly. How your label gets printed depends a lot on how you design your original label file, so there are a few things to keep in mind. For best print quality, your label should be 300 dpi and the same size and shape as the template you chose. Of course, you can use any shape and size you want and make it fit, but keep in mind it's what you see is what you get. Also pay attention to the trim line, which is the dotted line around the perimeter. This is where the label will be cut, so your label should be designed with at least a 1/4-inch bleed. An appropriate bleed just provides a little wiggle room for printing and cutting, so all the important imagery and text is well within the trim line, and the finished label has full ink coverage to the edges. Anything outside the trim line may not get printed, and everything inside the trim line will definitely be printed, so make sure everything looks good before you add to cart. Check out our other tutorials for more information. Or if you have any specific questions, you can always email us through the Contact Us page.